Removing an executor is possible, but it is fairly difficult. So the court is going to give a lot of deference to the executor. If the person is not a professional executor, they're not a professional fiduciary, let's say it's a friend of the decedent or a family member, the court is going to understand that they might not do things perfectly, and they're going to give them, in general, a lot of chances. And so, for example, the rule is that the executor needs to file an inventory of all of the assets that are in the estate within 4 months of being appointed. That's the rule. The code says you have to do it. Let's say it's been 8 months and the person hasn't done it all, and you think, you know what, this person needs to be removed. They're not doing their job. They're very slow. And the rule is they had to do it. What's the most likely outcome? You go to court and you say, court, they're not doing their job. Here's what they're doing wrong. The court will say, executor, we want you to carry out your job. Can you do it? And the executor can say, yeah, I will. And the court will say, how long do you need to get it done? And the executor will say, I need 2 months. And then the court will say, come back in 2 months. And if you haven't done it by then, we will consider the request to remove you at that time. So people are often frustrated by probate when they say, I went there, this was their job, the law said they had to get it done in this period, and they didn't do it, and I want them to be out. Well, it is pretty common that the court is going to give them many chances to get on track if they aren't on track before they are removed. What is the exception to that? If you have verifiable proof that the executor is stealing money from the estate, you can prove it. You go to court and you say, court, this person is stealing, and here's how I know, then the court will take that very seriously, and they might be removed right away. But in most other cases, the court is going to give them time to produce an accounting, to file an inventory, to do all the things of the estate. The court tends to be pretty patient in probate to allow people to come into compliance as opposed to removing them and appointing somebody else. Hey guys, it's Attorney Amy. I hope you liked that video. For more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I post content weekly. If there's topics or issues you think I should cover, please let me know in the comments.